Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and starting the update immediately. First, make sure the tablet has at least 50% battery or remain plugged in. This prevents interruptions. Once backed up to cloud or PC, verify available storage and note the model and current Android version so you download compatible files. Now open Settings, go to System Updates or About Tablet, and check for updates. If none appear, enable Wi-Fi and try again. These first steps get you into the update flow quickly and safely. Once updates appear, choose OTA Install over Wi-Fi for the simplest path. Tap Download and wait for verification before installing. If the tablet is too old or OTA is unavailable, you move to manual methods. Unlock the bootloader when required, enable developer options and USB debugging, then prepare a custom ROM or factory image that matches your model. Use ADB and Fastboot on a PC or the manufacturer's flashing tool, following exact file names and commands. Make sure drivers are. Once installation finishes, you reboot and complete the initial setup, restoring backup selectively so you avoid reintroducing bad app data. Make sure Google Play services, apps, and security patches are present. Update apps from the store and confirm battery and Wi-Fi behave correctly. If the tablet enters a boot loop or instability, first try recovery. Wipe cache partition and reboot. If that fails, reflash the original factory or a known good image, using the same PC tools. This fixes most problems while preserving replacement options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.